Hello friends, I hope you all are doing very well. Welcome to interactive classes, and today we will start a new lesson based on magnetism. I hope you have watched our previous videos. If you haven't watched them yet, I'll provide you the links in the description box. So today in our lecture today, we will start magnets. Okay, what are magnets? What are magnetic fields? What are magnetic field lines? And we will also learn about the properties of magnetic field lines. So let's get started. So what is a magnet basically? A magnet is a substance which has some specific properties. Let this be a magnet. So a magnet has two poles, namely North Pole and the South Pole. So the basic properties of magnets is North Pole and North Pole repel each other, South Pole and South Pole repel each other, but North Pole and South Pole attract each other. North Pole and South Pole attract each other. South Pole, North Pole, same thing. That means unlike poles attract each other and like poles repel each other. For example, North Pole and North Pole repel each other and South Pole repel each other. The basic importance or the basic property of magnet is that they attract magnetic substances. For example, iron, cobalt, nickel are some magnetic properties which are attracted by magnet. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next we will note down the properties of magnet. So, properties of magnets. Like poles repel each other. Unlike poles, attract each other. A magnet has two poles, namely north and south. A magnet has two poles, north and south. Okay? Magnets have magnetic field. Magnets have magnetic field. Number 5. Magnetic fields are represented by magnetic field lines. Okay, these are the basic properties of a magnet. Like poles repel each other, unlike poles attract each other. A magnet has two poles, north and south. Magnets have magnetic field. Magnetic fields are represented by magnetic field lines. Oh, there's another one very important property. Let me write it over here. Number 6. Magnets produce electrical effects. Okay, this is a very important and unique property of magnet, that magnets or magnetic fields produce electrical effects. We will come to this part later. Now our main concern is magnetic fields and magnetic field lines. Okay, now we'll deal with magnetic field. If you want to note this down, then you can pause the video and just note it down. Okay. So next is magnetic field lines. Sorry, magnetic field. Magnetic field. First, let me explain what is a magnetic field. Okay, so you might have noticed that if this is a magnet, there's a region around the magnet around which of magnetic force can be felt. Okay, so if this is an iron piece, okay, or any magnetic body, and this is a magnet, then if we bring this magnetic body near a magnet, it gets attracted like this. But if we take it very far away from it, then we will not feel the attraction. Okay, so the region in which the magnetic force is experienced is known as magnetic field. Okay, now let me write down the definition. Magnetic field means the region around the magnet in which magnetic force can be experienced is known as magnetic field. Okay, so this is a very simple and compact definition for magnetic field. Okay, now next in the topic we have magnetic field lines. So we have magnetic field lines in our next topic. So we have understood about magnetic field. Now we can explain it, but we cannot represent magnetic field, right? So to represent magnetic field, we bring in the scenario magnetic field lines. Like in the electrical components, we have dealt with circuit diagrams or circuit symbols. So to represent magnetic field, we represent it through magnetic field lines. Suppose this is a magnet, north and south. Okay, so to represent the magnetic field around it, we use this kind of representation. Okay, I am coming to the point. Fine. So these graphical representation of the magnetic field are known as magnetic field lines. These are known as magnetic field lines. Okay. So there are some basic properties of magnetic field lines. What are magnetic field lines? Magnetic field lines are those lines which are used to represent the magnetic field of a magnet. Okay, fine. Now let us write down or let us know about the properties of magnetic field lines. Fine. Okay. Magnetic field lines. The first property is magnetic field lines start from north and end in the south pole. This is the conventionally taken like this. This is the magnet, north and south. Magnetic field lines start from the north, okay, and end at the south pole. But keep in mind, this is only valid when the field lines are exterior to the magnet. Okay. In the inside, let me draw it a bit bigger. In the inside, magnetic field lines flow from south to north. Okay. So you can understand it here itself. It starts from the north and ends in the south. Okay. Then in the inside, it flows from south to north. Okay. So this is an important concept. These are asked in your secondary school examinations, especially in class 10 examinations, boards. Okay. The next topic is, the next property is magnetic field lines form closed loops. So as we have seen it already, magnetic field lines form closed loops like this. That means the loops are never open. Okay. If we draw it like this also, for conventional we draw like this, but this is not the correct one. Actually this is extended. So to save the time, we don't draw this, but this is extended like this. Okay. So I hope this is clear. The next property is magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Okay. So we don't find any magnetic field lines like this. One flowing like this and one another flowing like this. We don't find this type of magnetic field lines. Why? Because a magnetic field is a vector quantity. Okay, what is a vector quantity? A vector quantity means a quantity which has both magnitude and direction. So for magnetic field, we have a magnitude and also a direction from north to south externally and from south to north internally. Okay. So in a vector quantity, if two lines, magnetic field lines, intersect like this, okay, then if we draw tangent at this point, we will get two different directions. We will get two different directions of the magnetic field, which is practically impossible. So therefore, magnetic field lines never intersect with each other. Okay. Now let me write down the properties one by one so that you can note it down. Magnetic field lines start from North Pole and end at the South Pole. Magnetic field lines start from the North Pole and end at the South Pole. Number 2. Magnetic field lines form closed loops. Magnetic field lines form closed loops. That means magnetic field lines will never be linear like this. It will always form loops. Okay. Number third point is magnetic field lines never intersect with each other. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other. That means we will never find two magnetic field lines moving like this. We will always find magnetic field lines like this. Keep in mind, this is only a representation. We cannot see lines like this around a magnet. Okay, this is just for our understanding purpose. Fine. Okay. Another point to mention is if you want to note it down, you can pause the video and just note it down. Or this is very basic things. Okay, you can get it in any standard book, in NCERT books or in any reference books. So magnetic fields show electrical effects. Okay. Magnetic fields show electric effects, electrical effects. Electric fields show magnetic effects. These are two important parts which will come to later. Okay, but for now just remember these two things. This is for concept only. Okay, we will study in detail in the later parts. So for today, up to this, I hope you like our video. If you like our video, please give us a like. Okay, share with your friends, family and community. Support us, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned. Thank you.